In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the Bundler Product Bundles app. If you need help increasing your average order value, encouraging more product purchases per checkout, or creating smart product bundles without hiring a developer, then this app is going to be for you. All right, so first to give you a little bit of background about this app. So Bundler is a Shopify app that lets you create all kinds of product bundles. Classic bundles, mix and match, volume discounts, and more. It's super flexible, even on the free plan, and it's really perfect for businesses that want to upsell complementary products or encourage bulk purchases without needing a developer or any custom code. You can offer percentage or fixed discounts, tiered savings, or even just let customers build their own bundles. So this is especially useful for stores that sell complementary items, so like skincare kits, outfits, tech accessories, or bundles of digital products too. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is actually install the app into our Shopify store. So go ahead up to this top search bar up here. Go ahead and click on apps and just search Bundler. All right, you're looking for this blue icon here. Go ahead and click that. All right, so now it's taken us into Shopify's App Store onto the app's installation page. So here you're going to see some of those key features I just talked about, as well as their pricing plan, and they do have a free option, as well as some reviews. Just click install. All right, now it's giving me this little permissions page here. It's just showing me everything that Bundler will have access to inside my Shopify store. So go ahead and read through all these things, and if it looks good, just click install again. All right, I'm gonna pin this to my navigation so it doesn't go anywhere. And we're just gonna jump right in here to create bundle. All right, so you've got a lot of different options here. You've got the classic bundle, so you can give your customer a discount on specific products. The mix and match bundle here, it lets your customers basically build their own bundle, which is pretty cool. They have a volume discount, so you can give store-wide or product-specific discounts when they buy in bulk. They have a section mix and match, so bundle where customers have to buy a number of items for each from each section. They also have a tiered mix and match, so a mix and match bundle with discount tiers. You can do standalone product bundles too, but for now, let's just create a classic bundle. All right, so this bundle name is going to be displayed at checkout. So I'm going to name it just testing, but you can name it anything you want, like bundle and save or something like that. You can change this title here if you'd like to, or the description. And this total price template is how it's going to show at the checkout. So it'll show the original price, the normal price, and then the discounted price right next to it. So I wouldn't touch these tags at all unless you know what you're doing with a little bit of coding, but these are totally fine as they are. You can change the button text for the add to cart button if you'd like to, or the call to action under that button. Now down here, it's going to show your colors, but we haven't actually done that yet. We'll get into that soon. Okay, so now down here, this is where we can actually apply the discount. So first of all, there's multiple ways that you can give a discount. So obviously here you can do it as a percentage. You can do it as a fixed amount off, so like $10 off instead of 10% off. You can discount only a specific product. You can set the whole bundle as a specific price, or you can just use no discount at all. Now, of course, I recommend having some sort of discount with your bundle in order to incentivize your customers. But even if you don't want to give a discount, giving free shipping is a great incentive as well. So just make sure you know your shipping costs for the products on the bundle. And unfortunately, you'll have to upgrade to their premium plan to use this free shipping option. But for now, I'm just going to keep it as a percentage discount. So we'll just say 10% off. Now, if you have a paid plan, you'll also be able to choose whether or not you want the bundle to be on a product level or a variant level. So basically what this means, the product level is where different variants will be listed underneath like usual. Or if you have it as a variant level, then the variants will be displayed as standalone products. So I actually do recommend having it in the product level because the variant level will probably be a bit too busy. All right, so now here we're going to actually select our products to put in the bundle. So this is just a test store, so I'm just going to add 2 completely irrelevant products. But I do recommend having products in your bundle that actually go together. So for example, like if you're in skincare, then you could bundle like a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. Or if you're in fitness niche, maybe like a workout guide and a protein shake, or something like that. I don't know. If you want to have multiple of the same product within the bundle, you can just add that here if we want to. So next is discount conditions. So this is where we decide what the customer has to actually do in order to get that discount. So we have a couple options here. They can just buy all the products in the bundle. You can have them by minimum or a maximum number of items. So that's really used for like the mix and match bundles. Or you can buy required non-discounted products as well. Yeah. Down here, you're going to have the landing page content. Again, this is for paid plans, but basically it's just a little bit of text that's going to be on the landing page. So you can choose here whether you want it to be displayed before or after the bundle as well. And once everything looks good to you here, once you got everything filled out, just click Save Bundle. All right, so now we're able to preview it. So we're going to go to the product page here. So here is the product. And now if we scroll down here, perfect. Get a discount, buy these products together, and let's see. And there is our 10% off there as well. Perfect. So we just say, yes, I can see the bundle widget. Everything is fine. So with the free plan, you're not able to do any of these options down here, but we are able to do the classic and the volume discount. So if we go into a volume discount bundler, it'll basically be the same thing here, pretty much the same customizations in terms of the process. Here you can change the type if you want it to be a minimum limit, or minimum purchase amount, or just a fixed quantity, and also the quantity right here. You can apply it to only specific products or apply the discount to literally all the products in your shop. It's completely up to you. And then down here, you're gonna have some recommended apps that are easily, they can easily integrate with the bundler app. So these are just some things for you to see here. Now, when we scroll down here on our dashboard, we'll be able to see the bundle that we just made. So let's actually go into this bundles tab here. In this bundles tab here, you're going to see all of your bundles. You can also edit the bundle right from here. Of course, you can create a new one. And they also have some supportive content here in case you forget, or if you don't know how to create a specific bundle. Now here in the settings tab, so this is where you can really have a lot of customization in the widgets, your brand colors, like all of that kind of thing. So here in the bundle widget, you have some customizations that you can do. So for example, you can show the product's prices, use a compare at price as a baseline price. You can show the unit price if you want. All of these just scroll through. It's pretty straightforward as to what each of them does. So of course it'll show you exactly what that means. That's really nice. We do have settings for the different types of bundles. So the mix and match, the tiered mix and match bundle here, the section bundle as well, the volume discounts. And then here's where you're actually going to be able to add your brand colors for the bundle widget specifically. And then if you do the mix and match, of course, we have to upgrade for that. You'll put in your volume discount colors here. And then still with the free plan, you can add your colors to the discount pop-ups. So now here in the funnel settings, same thing. You'll have your colors that you can add. You'll be able to also edit the button texts as well here. If you have a paid plan, you can choose whether or not to actually display the bundle discounts in the cart. I really like this option there. Now the bundles listing page is also for paid plans, but here's the customization that you'll be able to have if you want the product bundles to have a whole different separate page on your store. In this integration section here, it's just going to show you a couple of different apps that you can actually integrate into the bundler app. And then down here, you can actually show widgets outside of Shopify. So if you have a different site, they actually give you the code right here that you can put in there. So I think that's actually really nice. So let's go down to our funnels tab right here. So here in the funnels tab, you'll have to upgrade your plan to create a funnel or use these funnels. But this is basically a way that you can promote your bundles in a pop-up or on a cart page. It's just a really easy way to upsell. The next tab down is the analytics tab. So here you're going to see how effective the bundles and the widgets are, but you'll unfortunately need to upgrade to see all of this different data here. The Shopify POS tab, so if you happen to enable this, basically you can use your bundle discount on POS devices. So if you're selling in a retail location or using Shopify's point of sale system, this will let your in-store customers get the exact same discounts as your online shoppers. You do also have the support center down here with, again, some video tutorials and some FAQs here. This is where you can also submit a question to them. And then down here, you can actually submit a support form here. Bundler is a super useful tool to increase your average order value, drive conversions, and encourage customers to buy more without needing any coding or technical setup. With just the free plan, you can already create classic bundles, volume discounts, and start experimenting with upselling strategies today. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.